So you're going to need a platform, and it really could be anything. It could be a set of shell scripts. My favorite example of a platform that can deliver on this type of promise is a ticketing system. Think about it, right? You go into a ticketing system and you ask for some more capacity from your operations team. You have some drop-downs, and that's an interface. It's almost an API. Maybe you even have an API into a ticketing system. Now, that's not a great platform, right? Because there's people running around behind the scenes that are going to have to deliver it for you. But what exactly is a platform? So to me, a platform is a set of software and possibly a set of processes behind it that make promises. The system is making a promise to you as the owner of the application that it will deploy it for you. Hopefully, it's also going to care for it for you, and it will give you a view into how it's doing. Just as important as the promise itself are constraints. Because constraints are actually what allow any platform to provide you with the service that it's promising. That's a really important concept. It also applies to the way we think about our development teams or the application teams. The right constraints are going to free you. They're going to free you to be creative where it actually matters. You shouldn't ask application development teams who are focusing on solving a real business problem to spend a lot of effort thinking about how they're going to do log aggregation. It might be interesting. Maybe they belong in your platform operations team. So constraints allow you to free up that team to focus and be creative where it actually matters. Now, at Cloud Foundry, we have summarized our promise in a haiku. Here is my source code. Run it on the cloud for me. I do not care how. So I'll leave you with this thought. All of you have a platform for your applications. What promise is it making to you? Is it keeping that promise? And are you taking full advantage of the constraints in order to be creative where it matters? Thanks.